If you've been knowing that for a long time now, you want to incorporate a low ticket product into your product suite, then this video is definitely for you, because I'm going to break down how I plan to take my new low ticket offer to gross $1 million in sales. All right. So if that's exciting to you, go ahead and comment low ticket in the comments and let's get into it. All right, so let's just break down a couple of things here. Typically, so I'm assuming you are a content creator, coach, consultant, business expert, right? Because in order for this to work, you will have at least, well, not, I don't want to say that, but you probably already have dabbled in the course creation world, or you've had, something in your arsenal already where you have a product, meaning a digital product, whether that's some type of form of info product. So ebooks, templates, cheat sheets, video courses, video modules, and tutorials. Because if you already have those assets, this process is going to be really easy for you. Kind of. It's half of the equation. The other half is getting the sales assets right. So the funnel, the copy is probably the most important thing, so the sales pages, etc. But here's where you start. This is where I started. It all starts from the pocket offer or the low ticket offer that you want to sell first. And this, I highly recommend that this price point is really, really under $50, because $100, it's not a no-brainer price point, $100. The low ticket products that I've bought for $100, I'm like, yeah, I had to go back, review, and because if it's $79, I'm like, what is this? What does it include? But all the low ticket offers that I've bought that are $27, I'm like, oh, just put it on the card, right? No big deal. So I would honestly start between the $30 to $40 price point or below for your first low ticket offer. And so let me get my markers. I'll bring out my whiteboard in a second, but that's where I would start. And then think about, what is a quick win that your audience right now could easily use? Like, for example, when I say a quick win, it's like, let's think of a niche, like the dog barking niche. Think about how you can help your ideal client, get their dog to reduce their barking in 48 hours or less. Quick win, right? Whereas, a whole full transformation is like how to get your dog from biting people and being bad and all this stuff to being a dog that is trained and can do a bunch of stuff for you and not be so evil, right? That's like a full transformation. But that quick win for dog owners is how to get that dog to stop barking so freaking much within 48 hours. So you can create a mini course or workshop or bundle, whatever it is, around that. All right. And that's totally worth, $40 or whatever. So then this, because I'm saying where to start because I've already started. All right. So here's where I am in my low ticket offer creation is I am at the point where I've created the low ticket offer. It's a $47 product. It's called Subscribers to Sales Systems. All right. So the whole brand, my brand is Subscribers to Sales, but we have a product suite where it's the Subscribers to Sales is the base layer, not base layer, is the overarching name. And then whatever the name is below that is the category of what it is. So we have the Subscribers to Sales Blueprint, which is my free lead magnet. This new baby product that's cute. This new baby product that I have is called Subscribers to Sales Systems. That's our $47 product. Our high ticket offers are called, STS Fast Track and Ascend. Those range from 6K to 15K, or actually 16K price points. So, this one is like the starting point. And I've been craving a low ticket offer because I used to have an offer called Monetization Builder, which is this is crazy. I missed out on a bunch of money with that because I didn't have any upsells, which we were going to talk about in this video. But just to give you a preview on how that launch was when I first launched it, man, we launched Monetization Builder and it grossed $6,000, more than $6,000 in sales in 5 days. And I dropped the price to $40. So if you do the math, we made over 150 sales. I think we made like exactly 151 sales. I was like, holy crap, this was way more than I expected. It was really fun. So, but that pocket product, like, grossed a lot of money after that. Like, it was, I was selling that thing weekly, sometimes daily, and it was great. So, but here's why I missed out on money. I didn't have any upsells, I didn't have any downsells, and I didn't have any bump offers. So this new product, Subscribers to Sales Systems, it doesn't have a bump offer yet. I'm still working through that, but basically a bump offer is where they go to the checkout. Yes, I want to purchase Subs to Sales Systems for $47, and then right below that, it's like, hey, add this lead velocity calculator, calculate the exact amount of leads you're going to get. I think that's what my bump offer is going to be, and that'll probably be like $9, something like that. All right, so back to my mini whiteboard here. As I mentioned, the offer is $47. Like, it's live on the channel right now. You can go to the link in the description and check it out, or you could even buy it. There's a little discount code I've left. And then the bump offer is going to be $9. I haven't put that there yet. It may be there by the time you see this video, but it's not there yet. Okay, and then my first upsell is going to be $97. That's our monetization lounge, which is like funnels and ways to monetize your YouTube channel on steroids. Well worth the price. And the upsell 2 is going to be our $297 business course, right? Our full YouTube business course from A to Z. And I guess the way I've picked this price points was, I'm like, I have to make it a no-brainer price. I'm like, what's the value on these products? I mean, the value on both of these products is 10, 15x. And I'm like, what's a no-brainer price point where people, when they get to the first upsell and the one-time offer, they will want to add it to cart? Okay, so that's how I decided on the price point, because historically, this course here, we've sold for $1,500, and even just the value in it is worth over $1,500. So I'm just like, what's a no-brainer price? So the total, if somebody buys everything at checkout, it's $450. That is dope. So obviously, let's assume, just breaking this down and giving real life examples on it. And this is based off data of what I've heard just from in the market, what I know about funnels. Okay. So up here, if 100 people buy 100, I assume that around, I'm just going to say 30, because I feel like these are going to be damn good upsells. I think that out of 100 people, 35 will buy this upsell 1. And out of that, I believe that around 12 people will buy the full course here, the full business course. These are my prediction of numbers and stats. We won't know until we have the full product suite set up and ready to go. But again, this is really cool to to be able to make this amount, to increase the average cart value per customer. So let's figure out, like, if I want to make $1 million with this funnel here, it's going to take some work. It's going to take some traffic, because this work is already done, right? It's just a matter of figuring out the traffic. My YouTube traffic alone is not going to be able to do this at this point in time, right? So $1 million would mean that I would need 21,276 sales at the $47 price point. That's not including the bump offer or any of the upsells. And to achieve that, let's say I want that in a year, what does that look like per month? I would have to sell that amount of units per month. So 1,773 units per month is what I will have to sell. So now my plan is to go ham with the organic traffic pushing to this funnel, but also to figure out in paid traffic terms, I guess, what is the traffic strategy to get a good ROAS for this self-liquidating offer. I think that the $450 price point is a really great price point for me to get a 2 to 3x ROAS on this self-liquidating offer. And so my first plan of action to test this out is going to be YouTube ads. I'm not a YouTube ads person. We have trusted partners who do YouTube ads. So we're going to test this out and see which video ad and funnel or campaign converts. And once we find it, I'm going to scale the shit out of it. Okay. The other thing too, to make more sales on this, right now we have my subscribers to sales blueprint as a lead magnet, which funnels straight into this offer. So you opt into my subscribers to sales blueprint, and then on the very next page, it points to here, like, oh, by the way, your email or your blueprint's on the way, but check this out. So it goes straight to that. So there's a touch point. As soon as somebody downloads the freebie, they have a touch point with how to buy from me. This is great. But to take that up a notch, what I'm going to do is get a lead magnet that's higher converting. I've always wanted to do a quiz as a lead magnet. And so my plan is to make a quiz for people to opt into, because on average, the quiz conversion rate, meaning when people land on the quiz page and actually opt in, that's way higher than your typical lead magnet. However, my lead magnet page, we just tested it. We just did an email swap with a JV partner, where I emailed this girl's lead magnet to my audience and she, vice versa. My blueprint ebook was 58%, you guys. That is freaking dope. Like, that means that if 100 people land on my lead magnet page, 58 are opting in and saying, here, yes, I want to get this. And they're going onto the email list. That's dope. It's exciting because I collect phone number as well. I collect name, email, and phone number. So for people to have that extra layer of like, yeah, I'll still opt in, even though the phone number is there. So tap on the back for that. I'm pretty excited about that metric. So hopefully the quiz converts, 60, 70%, but it's going to be a fire quiz. Okay. So that's why I expect to get more bang for my buck, like more conversions per view, whether that's on organic or whether that's on paid ads, is by making that quiz funnel or opt-in, right? So that's my plan. And of course, as I test things, as I do things in my business, one of the points of this channel, whether it's like YouTube journey, whether it's business, new programs and stuff, I always like document what's going on. I can come back to you and be like, hey, the $97 price point didn't work that well. We changed it to whatever. Here's what the stats actually show compared to what I thought. So I just love sharing and documenting like what's going on behind the scenes. So anyway, hopefully like that's eye-opening for you and it motivates you to create your own $1 million low ticket product. You can do it. If I can do it and I know I can, then you can do it as well. So yeah, if you've made it to this point in the video, come join me again. Don't leave. Go to this video right here that's coming up next. And all you got to do is click right here and I will see you on that next video.